Good day, everyone. I'm Satish Jha, Associate Principal at ZS Associates, and I'm excited to be here with my colleague Piyush Rai. At ZS, we are a global management consulting and technology firm with a strong focus on healthcare and life sciences. Our expertise in data, analytics, and AI helps us partner with organizations to drive innovation, improve patient outcomes, and drive efficiency. Today, we'll be walking you through 5 exciting Microsoft tech trends that are revolutionizing business processes in healthcare and life sciences. From our experience working side by side with clients, we have seen how these emerging trends are driving real change, helping organizations streamline operations, unlock the power of advanced analytics, and drive generative AI-led transformation. So without further ado, let's dive in and explore how these trends are shaping the future of healthcare and life sciences. Trend 1, revolutionizing analytics with Power BI Copilot. In healthcare and life sciences, data-driven decision-making is absolutely critical. Yet the process of assessing data and interpreting data has often been very complex. Power BI Copilot is changing the way organizations interact with their data. By leveraging generative AI, it is enabling users to ask questions in natural language, receive immediate insights. For instance, a pharmaceutical brand manager can now ask, what are the current sales trends for our oncology product in a specific region, and receive immediate actionable insight without having to navigate through the complex dashboards. This capability empowers non-technical users to make faster decisions and develop more efficient market strategies, all with ease. Now, what truly sets Power BI Copilot apart is its self-serve capabilities. By querying the semantic model directly, users can interact with the underlying data structure in a much more intuitive way, simply by asking questions. This enables team to create custom reports on the fly, generate tailored visualization and dashboards without needing deep technical expertise. Plus, the users can now modify existing reports, refine data, summarize data as the business needs evolve, ensuring that insights are always relevant and actionable. At ZS Associates, we bring deep domain knowledge in healthcare and life sciences, which is critical when tailoring advanced solutions like Power BI Copilot. We are pioneering Power BI Copilot implementations by collaborating with several life sciences leaders to develop verticalized applications tailored to their needs. Through several POCs, we have identified what works best and where improvements can be made as we continuously innovate to enhance Copilot's effectiveness in real-world scenarios. Though still this is in early stages, this approach to analytics is a glimpse into the future where users aren't limited by pre-built reports, but can generate custom insights on demand when they need them. At ZS, we are excited to help our clients unlock this potential with Power BI Copilot, transforming how they approach decision-making and analytics.
Thanks, Satish. Hello, I'm Piyush Rai, working as Microsoft Technical Lead with CS from India. Let's start with Trend 2, migration to Power BI and Fabric. As organizations move towards modernizing their data infrastructure, migrating from legacy BI platform to Power BI and Fabric has become a critical step in unifying analytics across healthcare and life science. Migration to Power BI offers more integrated, scalable, and secure environment for analytics. Microsoft Fabric allows healthcare provider to bring together different data sources, for example, EHR, electronic health record, to supply chain logistics into one cohesive platform. The result is real-time data access, which enhances decision making across departments. Power BI today presents a much simplified and efficient licensing model in addition to the bundling of Office 365, which makes it attractive for clients. At ZS, we have deployed proprietary assets and accelerators that significantly speed up the migration process. These tools help ensure a seamless transition by automating portions of migration like data model, reports, and dashboards. Our approach reduces the risk of data loss or disruption and helps client unlock the full potential of Power BI faster. Trend 3, revolutionizing app development. App development, which once required months of coding and specialized resources, is now moving towards low code, no code platforms like PowerApps, which enables both professional developers and citizen developers to build and deploy custom applications quickly. In healthcare, PowerApps is already streamlining administrative processes such as patient scheduling, intake, and billing workflows. The drag and drop interface allows users to build applications that address specific business needs without writing and extensive codes. For life science, PowerApp has become instrumental in managing clinical trials where real-time tracking and compliance management are critical. Life science companies are now using PowerApps to create applications that manage trial data, ensuring faster time to market and better regulatory adherence. From technical perspective, PowerApps integrate seamlessly with the broader Microsoft ecosystem like Power BI, Power Automate, and other Microsoft offerings, leveraging Azure for scalability and security. This allows organizations to build applications that are not only quick to deploy but also robust and secure. At ZS, we have developed over 100 Power App solutions across life science and healthcare, spanning operations, commercials, R&D, and enterprise functions. These range from simple workflows to cutting-edge complex applications. Additionally, we have created multiple accelerators, including UX enhancements and custom connectors to streamline and scale up app development for our clients. Trend 4, persona-based Copilot transforming operations. Let's turn to Copilot Studio, which is driving business process transformation through persona-based Copilots. These AI-powered assistants are designed to automate tasks and provide tailored insights for specific roles within healthcare and life science organizations. For example, we are working with a client to develop a contracting agent persona copilot that automates contract management tasks, everything from drafting agreements to tracking versions and ensuring compliance. Contract managers can simply ask the copilot to generate a vendor agreement or retrieve specific clauses, drastically reducing the time spent on manual process and improving accuracy. Similarly, we are in discussion with several clients about a marketing analyst persona, Copilot, which provides real-time insights on market trends, healthcare provider engagements, and promotional effectiveness. By aggregating data from multiple sources, the Copilot helps marketing team optimize campaigns and make faster data-driven decisions. Adding more, what it can do is these copilots seamlessly integrate with CRM and marketing technologies, automating workflows and streamlining operations. For instance, by leveraging Power Apps, organizations can connect the copilots insight directly into their CRM system or marketing platforms, automating everything from lead scoring to campaign execution. These copilots are built using Copilot Studio, which integrates Azure Cognitive Services and Azure Machine Learning. This enables organizations to create tailored AI solutions that fit directly into their existing workflows, significantly and increasing productivity.
Now let's talk about trend 5, building generative AI applications on Azure AI Studio. Let's explore how generative AI is now further transforming the life sciences and healthcare space through Azure AI Studio. Today, tools like PromptFlow, AutoGen are enabling organizations to develop Gen AI application in a low-code manner, reducing the tech debt and cost to develop. Let's look at a use case where we have scaled a generative AI-based clinical authoring application built on Azure. Automated drafting. Sorry, let's start now. CS application leverages several key features, such as automated drafting, where the AI generates the initial versions of the clinical trial reports, reducing manual effort and speeding up the documentation process. It integrates with RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation Pipeline, and Structured Data Agent to pull relevant data from multiple sources to provide necessary context for the reports. Finally, leveraging MS Word-based plugin, we are able to accelerate time to value by reducing the need for extensive training and change management and bringing a necessary human in the loop aspect. These capabilities reduce operational burdens and significantly accelerate time to value for new therapies. Additionally, the seamless integration with Azure Machine Learning ensures that these models, these applications are scalable, secure, and fit into the existing workflow. Although still evolving, these technologies and trends represent the future of how organizations will interact with data and leverage AI. They enable custom insights, rapid application development, and more advanced AI-driven process, all of which is revolutionizing decision-making and operations in healthcare and life sciences. At ZS, we are very excited to be at the forefront of this journey, helping our clients unlock these innovative capabilities to drive impactful transformation. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.